So this Cub Cadet it's hydrolocking. It's got a stuck carburetor valve causing it to hydrolock. So a couple years ago, it's my neighbor's tractor, 2012 Cub Cadet or something. I put in this fuel shutoff valve. That's on, that's off, to prevent it from hydrolocking, but apparently he forgot to shut it off, and it is hydrolocked again. So it fills the cylinders with gasoline and it won't crank over. So I pulled the spark plugs out of the cylinders. It's a V-twin, so both sides. So that cylinder's out, and it's just open spark plug hole right there. And here are the spark plugs here, laying on the snowmobile. And they reek of gasoline in there. Look how clean that is, because gasoline, I think she's flooded again with gasoline. So I put a new battery in it just now, and my multimeter is showing me 12.6 volts in that new battery. So I'm gonna crank it over and show you, maybe, if it will crank. There should be gasoline come shooting out both of the cylinders. So let's see what we get, if we get anything. Yeah. And it cranks now. Something came flying out of this one. And I don't know if anything came flying out of that one, but I'm going to put the spark plugs back in it. Now that it's cranking, try it again. So we'll let you know how it goes. Later.